y'all? What up, man? Welcome back to C1 Specialized. Hope everybody had a good holidays and Christmas and, you know what I'm saying, whatever it is you do. I'm up here in Knoxville right now, Knoxville, Tennessee. I left the house yesterday. You can't really tell, man, but it's snowing right now. So I'm about to get up out of here. I would have been a lot further had it not been for the old lady trying to hold me back. It's all your fault. But anyway, shout out to the old lady, man. They had my kids. They threw me a little birthday shindig, and it was cool, man. Do a little painting, little appetizers. So, you know, I appreciate that. But yeah, we about to get on this road. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we're gonna try to get up out of here nice and smooth. You know, I don't really like this, I still consider this the East Coast. It's too populated for me. I'm normally out there in, the woods somewhere. So yeah, this is a little bit too much population for me. Way too many people. Way too many trucks. So yeah, man, I'm headed out here to Oklahoma. Got my if y'all watched the last video, y'all seen I left my trailer out in Oklahoma, and just bounced to the house, which is normally what I do. But on that last project I did, or last load, wasn't really no project. In order to get up out of there, I had to back up into a hole. When I did that, ripped off one of my mud flaps. So I gotta get out there and get one of the mud flaps, get one of them put on, and I gotta check my valve, a couple of air valves too. And I got 30-something tires I gotta worry about as well. So I'm gonna go out there and do some maintenance on the trailer. Supposed to have a project coming up. Don't know if we're gonna get it, but as long as I'm out here, I'll be in place, you know what I'm saying? Stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. Y'all wondering why I'm getting fuel over here at Love's. Got a Love's over there in Enid, Oklahoma. Come on, man. Boy, they about to have an accident out there. Uh-oh. Nah, I'm good. Did he hit him? Oh, he had to pull him. Always clean the nozzle off. You don't want all that stuff getting in your tanks. Look at that. Get my stuff back here. I try to be neat, man. You know what I'm saying? You see? Y'all seeing that? Try to be neat. Bringing no big trailer up in here, I'll tell you that. God. Woo. Fire hose will swallow a whole truck. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro. You good? Good, man. I'm down here in Palestine, Arkansas, Palestine, however you say it. It's about 27 degrees, and we got one more day of running till we make it up to Enid, Oklahoma. Gotta get up to Enid, and I just gotta do some work to the trailer, try to get ready for, supposed to have an upcoming project. I don't know yet. Time will tell, but get up there to Enid, get everything together, get this mud flap on, make sure everything working right. Check all them tires I got. You know the usual. Make sure everything is everything. But yeah, I'm gonna get on this road, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all as soon as we get over there to eat. Y'all see how crowded it is? And most of the people done left. Well, this stuff here made me nervous. Way too many trucks out here, man. It is a beautiful day, though. That's one good thing. Yeah, this the Loves out here in Palestine, Arkansas. I ain't a big fan of Loves, but I just got tired yesterday. Whenever I leave the house, my whole sleeping schedule be off. You know what I'm saying? I go to sleep like 3 o'clock in the morning, wake up at 10. When I'm out here, I gotta flip that around some way. You know what I'm saying? I need to go from, this dude's gonna keep pulling out. Okay, you must be turning some. Hey, my boy. I'd have gladly let you out, sir. You just let me by. Anyway. Yeah, so I gotta get my sleeping schedule. I gotta get my sleeping schedule back where it need to be. It is all the way off. You know what I'm talking about? Hello? Nah.
take you back to my first gram. All I wanted was a quarter pound, now I cop the shit by the elbow.